I stopped at a roadhouse in Texas, a little place called Hamburger Dan. I heard that old jukebox playing a song about a truck driving man. The waitress then brought me up some coffee. I thanked her and I called her back again. I said that old song sure does fit me, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. And I'll put a quarter in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. I climbed back aboard my old semi, and then like a flash I was gone. I got them old truck wheels a-rolling, I'm on my way to San Antonio. When I get my call up in glory and I head away from this land, I'll drive my old truck right up to heaven, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. And I'll put a quarter in the jukebox and play that truck driving man, and play that truck driving man, and play that truck driving man.